Vive le français et bonjour chers amis. Aujourd'hui nous allons voir un peu ensemble l'heure. Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? So here we have a clock. Quelle heure est-il? Une montre là. Quelle heure est-il? Alors there are two ways to say the time. One is you will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For instance, 6 o'clock. 6 heures and 1 minute. 6 heures 1. 2 minutes. 6 heures 2. 6 heures 3. 6 heures 4. 6 heures 5. 6 heures 6, 6 heures 7, 6 heures 8, 6 heures 9, 6 heures 10, 6 heures 15, 6 heures 20, 6 heures 25, 6 heures 30, 6 heures 35, 6 heures 40, 6 heures 45, 6 heures 50, 6 heures 55, 7 heures. So you just go, it goes from this side. 6 heures. Okay. Another way is just 6h30, then after you say 7 heures moins. Instead of saying 6, you can say 6h35. You can also say 7h moins 25, 7h moins 26, 7h moins 27, 7h moins 28, 7h moins 29. And you stop here. 7h moins 29. It can be 6h30, 6h31. You can say 6h31, 6h31. Or you can say 7h moins 29. Okay. 7h moins 28, 7h moins 27, 7h moins 26, 7h moins 25, 7h moins 7h moins 20, 7h moins 15, 7h moins 10, 7h moins 5. Okay? And it's always like this. So no matter, for instance, we can practice now. Tell me 8:15. How to say 8:15? 8h15. 8h15. You can say 8h15. Okay. How to tell me 8:45? It's 8:45. Quelle heure est-il? Il est 8h45. Yeah, très bien, very good. There is another way to say 8:45. Quelle heure est-il? Il est 9h moins 15. 9h moins 15. Oui, très bien. Some things that you need to know also. For 7h30, you can say, when it's 30, you can say et demi. 6h30, 6h30, 7h30, 8h30. Okay, this is something that you need to know. 10h30, 11h30. For 7h15 ou moins 15, you say quart, le quart. For 7h15, you say 7h, 7h15. 8h15, 8h15. 15 before 9. 15 to 9. 9h moins 15. 9h moins le quart. 9h moins le quart. 8h moins le quart. 7h moins le quart. So that's something that you need to know. One last thing is when we say the hours, 1h, 2h, 3h, 4h, 5h, 6h, 7h, 8h, 9h, 10h, 11h, blablabla. Well, after you reach 12, after you reach 12, you need to say 13h, 14h, 15h. Or if you don't say 13h, you need to say de l'après-midi. 1h de l'après-midi. 2h de l'après-midi. 3h de l'après-midi. And once you reach the evening, you say le soir. The evening is usually after 6 o'clock. It's starting from 6 o'clock. 6h du soir. 6h du soir. 5 o'clock is still the afternoon. 6 o'clock is the evening. D'accord? Donc 6h du soir, 7h du soir, 8h du soir. Okay? And in the morning, you can say le matin. 6h du matin. 6 in the morning. Donc le matin, l'après-midi, le soir. So let me ask you a few questions and you tell me quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? So 5:25. Il est 5h25. Quelle heure est-il? 5:25, but in the afternoon. There are two ways to say it. Il est 5h25 de l'après-midi. Or you can say, il est 17h25. Alors, quelle heure est-il? 8:40. 8:40 in the evening. So there are two ways to say it. Il est 8h40 du soir, ou il est 20h40. And there is also another way that you can say it. 9 before it's 8:40 can be il est 21h moins 20 ou il est 9h moins 20 du soir. 9h moins 20 du soir. For next time, I will ask you to write down the quelle heure est-il for the following things. So, quelle heure est-il? 10 p.m. 10 p.m. Quelle heure est-il? 10:50 p.m. 10:50 p.m. Quelle heure est-il? 5 a.m. And quelle heure est-il? 6:15 in the evening. Okay? So write this in the comment section. Merci, au revoir les amis.